Highest common factor, HCF. HCF can be done by three methods. One is common factor method, prime factorization method, and third one is long division method. Finding HCF by common factors method. As the name indicates, we have to find the common factors of the given numbers. For example, to find the HCF of 15, 20 and 25. Thus, we need to find out the factors of all the three numbers. Factors of 15 are 15 can be written as 1 into 15. Similarly, 3 into 5. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 20. 20 can be written as 1 into 20. Another multiplication fact is 2 multiplied by 10. Other multiplication fact is 4 multiplied by 5. So factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Next, factors of 25. 25 can be written as 5 by 5, 1 by 25. So, factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So, as the name indicates, we have to find the common factors in all the three numbers. So, common factors are 1, 5, highest among 1 and 5 is 5. So, HCF of the given numbers is 5. HCF by prime factorization method. Example: 18, 24 and 60. To find the HCF of 18, 24 and 60. Here, prime factorization of 18 can be done by using division method. So, we need to divide 18 by smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 divides 18, leaving quotient 9. 3 divides 9, leaving quotient 3. 3 divides 1 time. So, prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly, prime factorization of 24 is 2 divides 24, leaving quotient 12 and remainder 0. Again, 2 divides 12, gives quotient 6. Again, 2 divides 6, leaving quotient 3. Again, 3 divides 1 time. So, prime factorization of 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 into 2 into 3. Next, 60. 2 divides 60 and leaves quotient 30. Again 2 divides 30, leaves quotient 15. 3 divides 15, leaves quotient 5. 5 divides 5 one time. So prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Common factors are 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So HCF is equal to product of common factors. That is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6.